Hi, this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315IRH10, and opening it up isn't tough at all. Unscrew the 7T5 Torx heads. Flip the machine and open the lid. Place a thin plastic tool in one of the upper corners near the display hinge cover. This will create a small gap, which is a perfect spot to start prying the side with another tool. From there, continue to pop open the other sides. Don't rush the process. Slide the plastic piece and pop the panel slowly. Turn the laptop upside down and check if the plate is fully detached. If it's not, just give the bottom a slight push upwards where needed. A metal socket that protects the RAM zone is part of the inside of the bottom cover. The notebook that we are showing you has the more modest 50 watt-hour battery. Lenovo also provides an optional version with an extra 10 watt-hour of capacity. To take it out, push the connector to the left and undo the pair of Phillips heat on top. This unit has enough power for almost 4 hours and a half of 4K YouTube video playback. Once that's done, lift the front of the battery and slide it towards the back of the laptop. For storage, you can rely on two Gen 4 2242M.2 slots. The pre-installed SSD has a thermal pad underneath. Well, this machine is offered with 8 gigabytes of soldered memory. Not all hope is lost because there is a RAM slot compatible with up to 16 gigabyte RAM sticks rated at 4,800 megahertz. The Raptor Lake H processors support up to 96 gigabytes, so you may be able to successfully install even bigger modules. No soldered Wi-Fi cards, which is good news for budget buyers. The thermal system looks simple with its single fan, one heat pipe, a decent-sized heatsink, and a small heat spreader. The basic cooling is easy to remove. You just need to undo a total of 7 Phillips heads, 3 around the fan and 4 that secure the small metal plate on top of the CPU. The fan connector should be pulled out too. Also, get rid of the cables around the fan. Carefully lift the cooling unit. That 45-watt CPU certainly looks substantial. Thanks for watching. Check out our full review at techpowerup.com.